Hi, I am Dipinder and I am representing Refter Internet Solutions Private Limited. I am a computer science graduate with more than 14 years of experience in developing software, managing projects and people, and designing enterprise level solutions. And for the last 1.5 years of being an entrepreneur. The business problem that we want to solve, 500 billion US dollars. That's the size of the global recruitment industry. So there are many jobs that are available and there are so many people who are looking for a job. In fact, 51% of all the people who have a job right now are looking for a change or they are open to new opportunities. So we have great demand and ample supply. But there is a gap. I'm sure you must have experienced when you applied to a job post. You wrote an email, "Dear sir, ma'am, I wish to apply for this job. Please find my resume attached." But you almost never got the response back. Where did your application go? You were the best candidate for the job. What happened? Recruiters work on a very tight schedule. For every job that they post, they get huge response. More than 400 applications. So they have about 7 seconds to go through each resume on average. Yeah, that's it, 7 seconds. So the chances are that your resume never saw the face of recruiter. The crux of the problem lies in the fact that most of the job portals now, they aim for for paid job posts which target maximum audience, and almost everyone can apply to those jobs even if they are not suitable. On Refter, we try to solve this problem by making sure that the jobs find the most suitable people. And we do it by combining the powers of technologies like artificial intelligence and big data analysis and the power of human networks. So when a professional creates a profile on Refter, apart from asking about the professional and academic background, what we also want them to do is to add other social media accounts. And Refter then, with the professional's permission, gathers information about their body of work that they have done. So for example, if a programmer creates a profile on Refter and she mentions that she is a Java expert, so Refter goes through different social media and finds out that yes, what is her ranking on Stack Overflow, what type of projects she has done on GitHub, what are the technical discussions she has participated in LinkedIn, and creates a points and ranking system. So Refter gives you what we call as e-reputation versus your resume. And with this e-reputation, you get recognition on Refter. And then when someone posts a job for Java, this person would be the one who is able to apply. This is the job post workflow on Refter, and this is how we ensure that the jobs find the right candidate. So when the recruiter posts a job with the required skills, this post only goes to the top ranked professionals. No one else can apply or see these jobs. Now these top ranked professionals then have an opportunity to either apply, decline, or refer it to someone in their network who is an equally skilled candidate. There is an added responsibility on the referrer that she has to also assess the application of the person who he or she is referring. If the person gets selected, the referrer earns the money and points, and if the person is not selected, the referrer loses points. So they have this responsibility of assessing the application. Now, this is how Refter is different from other systems, where on Refter it is like a skilled professional is writing the cover letter for you. After the job assessment, the recruiter has the option to shortlist the candidate, schedule an interview, select or reject the candidate. All these they can do on Refter. And once it is done, a decision is made, there is a closure of the job post, and then if the person gets selected, the referral money is then distributed amongst the entire referral network. Apart from this, Refter is a complete social media application. So you have options to add to your network, you can send messages, and you get various types of notifications, including the ones for pending tasks. This slide talks about our competition and our unique selling proposition. As you can see, most of them do job posting, but on Refter it is free to post a job. Almost none of them does e-reputation or an assessment by a skilled professional. Few of them do social media and networking, and also provide company insights. Our USP lies in the fact that on Refter, job posts find suitable people, and only the suitable people can apply for the job. That's why you can see there is no job search. We have just started in June this year, and this first part of the slide talks about our spending expenses. Our technology expenses has come down after we successfully applied for Microsoft BizSpark. So now we have options to scale our application gracefully on the cloud offerings from Microsoft. Similarly, our operational costs and marketing costs will increase as we try to get more people on board. We try to hire people, and we also want to acquire new profiles and new companies and job posts on Refter. Digital marketing strategy, we are trying to engage with a marketing partner. We also look to sponsor events like job fairs and college graduation ceremonies, ways where we can attract skilled people on our system. And we are also working on a service called a viral resume, where we are trying to create a resume or a visual resume of a person directly from their profile on Refter. And this is something that they can share on social media. So you will see your friend's resume on LinkedIn or Facebook, and with a caption saying, okay, this is your friend's resume. Do you want to have your own? Please sign in with Refter. Financial details. As you can see, as our users grow, our job posts will grow, and revenue and expenses both will grow. And somewhere around mid next year is where we can achieve a break even where all our expenses are met from the revenue. Alright, this is the most important one. Thanks for giving me the time to present my pitch. Alright, this is the most important one. Thanks for giving me the time to present my pitch. And yeah, let's get started with the questions.